Okay, hello everyone. My name is Scott C. Waring of UFO Sightings Daily, and I'm looking at the southern hemisphere of the moon. I'm on a new photo map that I haven't found before, and it is quite incredible. It has a lot of incredible structures in it, and you should really try to take a look at it. Here we're looking at DeForest Crater. DeForest has 1, 2, 3, 4 walls in it, and here's DeForest Crater here. DeForest Crater is very close to Cabeus crater. Cabeus is where they dropped a small nuclear device there a few years ago just to test it to, I believe, destroy the base. You say, what is the base look like? Well, okay, here is the URL to the actual photograph if you're looking for it. And this is the photograph. It's in HD. When you enlarge the photograph, you will see that under the arm there is a little base, and this isn't too far from Cabeus. This is really close to Cabeus crater. So look at this. This is DeForest Crater. DeForest Crater. If you're interested in it, it's not too difficult to find. Also, I found that there is this face, quite unique. I tried to color it so you can see it better. There's a crown on it, and eye, nose, mouth, and chin area, and it's looking to the right of the screen. This is not too far from DeForest Crater. Be careful when you're looking at this crater that the photo itself will actually jam sometimes, and it could lock you out of the website. I was stuck out of the website for over 2 hours trying to get back in so I could see this very unusual anomaly on the internet. But it locked me out twice, not just once. So be very careful when you're trying to load the photo. I'll give you the URL to it, and it does move around quite well. And Cabeus, you can see, is there. Let me zoom out so you can see it, and we will see what happens. Yes, it's still loading. Lucky me. That's a first. Usually it jams and I have to cut out on the video. Okay, here's DeForest Crater right here where the cursor's zooming around, which is not too far from Cabeus. Let's see if we can find Cabeus. It's pretty close. If you look around, see, there's Zeeman, there's DeForest, and Cabeus. There's Cabeus B, Cabeus A, and one of these contain the base that I just showed you on it. Okay, so DeForest is right here. When you first go to the URL I will give you, you click on this little thing here, the southern hemisphere, and instantly it will take you to here. It's not so instantly. Actually, it's quite laggy and slow. Don't force it. Don't force it to enlarge too fast because it will jam and lock you out. But if you go to the miscellaneous screen, which will be up here and now is gone, go to miscellaneous. The screen looks very similar to this one. It's up here. And click on nomenclature. You will be able to see the names of the craters. Okay? So this is DeForest Crater, very unique and very similar to the four-sided base found in Cabeus crater, the same one that they actually dropped a small nuclear device on just a few years ago. Check it out. Look at this place. Don't force it. It will lock you out. And each time you view this crater, it will be at a different view. I actually had to flip this picture over so it would match the one on the map because earlier it was flipped over. It gives you a different view each time. It's kind of like Google changing from north, south, west. But it is very unique. This is the darker side of the moon. And when you zoom in on DeForest Crater, there it is right here, you got to give it time and it will load. So look at some of these unusual anomalies around there. See if you could find the face over there. You'll love it. There's some amazing detail in this new URL. So my name's Scott C. Waring. of UFOsightsDaily.com. I hope you check these new anomalies out and have a lot of fun and make some new discoveries. And if you do, please share them on YouTube so other people can look at them, view them, and know that they are there. All right, have a good one and take it easy.